All right, another video here, January 27th. It is Wednesday. Let's take a look at FLNT, Bluent. 423 million market cap, income 3 million, sales 308 million, float 41 million. Fluent announces recipients of inaugural business empowerment program to support minority and women-owned businesses. That was the 15th. Nothing really before that. Headquartered in New York, New York. Data-driven digital marketing services primarily in the United States. Marketing executions approximately 500 consumer brands, direct marketers, agencies across a range of industries, media, entertainment, health and wellness. The monthly on this, little blip here in 2007. This went up to 45, came all the way down. Had a split. 2012, 2015. And the weekly, this has pretty much been range bound from like 1 to maybe 12 over the last 8 years. And looking closer, see where we're at here on this one. Let's see here, 725 line. Right here, it was up in 2019, came crashing down. Right here in 2019. So you see this right here, see 2019, a big run up, came back down, tested this 125 pretty much, bounced around. We started to climb in 2020. You can see the low getting higher. Really been on a great run. Where we're at now, we got to get over the 6 line. If we do, looking back, we could get to 7 plus here. And on the low side, you want this 5 the whole 475, maybe even 425. It goes that low. But see if we get a bounce here. It's sort of choppy at this point, but it's been in a major uptrend, so keep an eye on that. MICT, market cap 147 million, income minus 16 million, sales 0.3 million, float 35 million. No news recently. Founded 2002, headquartered in Montevideo, New Jersey. Operates subsidiaries, GFH Intermediate Holdings, Micronet, provides mobile computing solutions, technology platform for high growth sectors in global fintech space. Let's take a look at this. Monthly, this came about 2012. Big move up to 12 and came all the way back. Look at this. Slow grind down, really. On the weekly, it's touched 50 cents many times. Then it really exploded up. So I can take this line out. That was a broadening wedge. You have a few lines down here. You have the 50-cent line, longer term line. Then you have, this right here, this 150. It's an important line right here. So see the run up in July, big move, big wick here to 8, formed the pyramid and came back down. Now where we're at now is this, 220. If 2 doesn't hold, it might get back to this 150 and test before it bounce up. If it goes back to 2 right here and comes up, you could see 250 plus 3. And you can see that move there. On the high end here, you got 6 level. So you see the 6 level, test it many times where we went down, 550. So it's at this low end of this this move right here. See this? It moved up. Didn't bounce along this move down here. Tried it, but didn't work. So it's a back and forth move. Nothing doing with this either right now. So it's in a downtrend. I don't see nothing popping. So that is on that. Here's a HUGE. Drug manufacturers, 37 million market cap, 16 million float. Provides corporate update as the 26th. Pharma sets date for annual meeting, the 22nd. Now to announces first patient randomized in phase 2 trial FSD 201 for treatment of hospitalized patients with COVID-19. Founded in 1998, headquarters in Toronto, Canada. Produces a medical cannabis in Canada. Strategic alliance with Psycan Therapeutics, Cantab Therapeutics, and Solar Best Bioenergy. So that's interesting. All right, this came about 2018, went all the way up to 150, but it wasn't really then the reverse split down here, but you can see the wash down on this. You know, the weekly, look at that, came all the way down. And let's get a little daily here, see if we can pick up anything. Don't really need that line. This 150 line looks pretty big. Shrink this here. So this 150 line right here. And then let's look at some lines above. You have right here this 14 line. It's a big line there, the 14 line. And you have right here the 11 line. I'll draw this one all the way down. Then moving closer, looks like here the 6 line. See right here the 6. So you had to move down. You bounced up January to 10. You know, dropped down. Then we moved up all the way to 14. Came back August, big move. And you know, we're dropping down to pretty low here. This low level, this 150. Yeah, if 150 holds, we might get a bounce up. It's been in a downtrend, so this isn't definitely a mover here. But if 150 holds, you could bounce back to 2. See, this big candle came all the way back here, this spinning candle. So you look closer here, this 150 line. So if that doesn't hold, you know, this move here, we'll go to 150, maybe bounce. You hope so. Tried to fill this gap, got into it. So you want this to get over back over 250, and then on the 3 level. Then we'll see from there. But the big move you can see is up. It came down. Everything's been in a downtrend in this one. So this isn't spiking yet. This doesn't have, you know, the chart you're looking for, definitely if you're long. So it's on a back burner. CBIO, Catalyst Biosciences, 123 million market cap, income minus 50 million, sales 18 million, 21 million float. Announced public offering the 27th. Founded 2002, headquartered in South San Francisco. Clinical stage biopharma, focused on developing various treatments for hemophilia and other rare bleeding disorders, using its potent subcutaneous coagulation factors that promote blood clotting. Wow. I see a phase 2B. A lot of different, trying to see here. There are different developments. They have like series like 2679, 2782, 2782, another one. So they have a lot of going on, it looks like, in their company. All right, so this was formed 2006. Wasn't 800. It didn't get a 3,000, but big move up to 2010. Came all the way back down. 2 splits. So this is bottoming too. Another stock bottoming. So you had that split in 2015. Came crashing down. Another split 2017. And if you go to the daily here, You can see this trend has been down on this. See the highs? Try to get these lines here. Look at this. The high keeps getting lower and lower in this. So this is another one. It's not really bouncing. And you have a big gap here to 24. So look at the move here. The highs are getting lower and the lows are getting lower. And this has really dropped off here too. So you put in big ridges of this though. You can play the ridges, peaks and valleys. So, this was at 4, you could go to 7. Look at it now though. Big 3 red candles. This goes to 550. Maybe looks for support at 4, maybe up here on one of these lines, but it's in a downtrend. Nothing I would like now. Then you have the 4 line. If it doesn't hold at 4, much lower. But this has potential up here, but nothing now. For years, another one. This is going down, down, and it's not really breaking up. So, this is not a good look for this stock right now. So I would keep this on a back burner too, unless something changes. All right, CBIO. All right, so that's it. Last video of the night. Mike Heyman Trades. Please sub and hit the like button. Then you have, what am I on? StockTwits, Mike Heyman Trades, Instagram, Mike Frank 98, TikTok, Mike Frank II, Twitter, Mike Frank 007, and Trade ID is referral in the link. All right, that's it for now. Peace.